Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2021 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LT Trailboss with the 6.2. I never knew that you could get the 6.2 in this thing. That is awesome. I just drove the High Country and I'm like, all right, you could probably only get the 6.2 in that. No, you could get the 6.2 in the Trailboss. This thing is sweet. It's a $2,400 option. I don't know how much horsepower it comes with, but I think it's right around 430, which is insane for a pickup truck. I mean, it's not Rebel TRX levels, but definitely much closer to a Raptor competitor than the 5.3, which is about 350, 370 horsepower. So you get almost a 100 horsepower bump. Pretty impressive. Total price as equipped is $60,195. Oh, it's crammed in there. There's not a lot of room to work with in there. No running boards on this one. Open and basically kind of have to throw yourself. Whew. All right. Put it in reverse. Turn on downhill descent. Whew. Truck's using the brakes itself to descend the hill, keeping it at 4 miles an hour. And then disable it, you're good to go. Sorry. Long day. Of course, fitted with the 10-speed automatic. This is, yeah, I said the High Country was my favorite Silverado. I didn't know you could get the 6.2 on the Trailboss. That's pretty cool. That makes this thing... I mean, keep in mind, you're talking 10, 20 grand less than a similarly equipped Raptor, and I still like the power delivery more of the Raptor. So it's not a direct competitor to the Raptor, but think of it as like a Raptor Lite with an NA V8. Okay, maybe I do like this more. Okay. Alrighty then. That's the difference between this and the Raptor. This is a very linear power band. That was the first time I actually floored it. Actually, I don't even think that was full. I think I was probably about 75%. This thing pulls and pulls and pulls. It lives in the upper RPMs. But it's also extremely torquey down low. It's not the direct same motor as the Camaro, but it's pretty close. Same basic block. But it's just been tuned for a bit more torque rather than high-end horsepower. This thing rides great. Man, I don't know. I was like, yeah, the 5.3 Trailboss is a riot of a truck. I love it. Oh, no. If I would buy a 5.3, I'd probably get the 6.2. I know it's $2,500. Yes, that's a lot of money. But they are much more rare. This is the first time I've ever even heard of a 6.2 Trailboss. Let alone seen one, driven one. These are going to be much more rare than the 5.3s. That is a fact. So, in the end, that $2,500 saves you on the resale value of the truck. Unless you roll it over. Don't do that. If you roll it over, it won't be worth as much as a clean 5.3. Just don't roll it over. But if you were thinking about leasing one, I think at the end of the lease, especially with how crazy used car prices are right now, I think you'll have some money coming back to you if you go with the 6.2 rather than the 5.3. That's just me. Alright. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.